I'm Devin DeStefano, and today here we have the X-Wave. Got some crazy features for you. 700 watts of pure power. Dish that you can take out, removable. Easy to clean. Time cook. Power, popcorn. Popcorn done in 30 seconds. Easy to put in. Hit this button and wham. Just take your meal out and you're good to go. That's the X-Wave. Hop on this wave. What's better than some Orville Redenbacher's popcorn? Nothing. Toss it in there. Popcorn. Start. Chicken pot pie. Toss her in there. Good to go. Devin DeStefano here, and I'm here to tell you that other microwaves sell for $50 to $60, but you could get ours right here for a low price of $24.99.
So God made a
microwave.